Hey, it's on Locksmith here. All right, we're going to replace a battery here on our Ford Transit 4-button remote. This here, if you're watching this video, good chance you're into some kind of delivery or commercial do-it-yourselfer. With that being said, let's go ahead and open up your remote. If your key ring is attached, you can leave it on. Now, if you look in here, you'll see, let's see if I can get you a good view there. There's a little tab dang there in the middle of it. This is a tricky one to open. I found the best way to do it is either taking a piece of plastic that's curved in there and just put it in and twist it, and by doing that you'll just get that little corner to pop open, and once that pops open you'll have a little spot you can put your flat tip in there. If you don't, just move down the plastic and just rotate it again, and there it goes, pops open. Here's our battery, CR2032 battery. Use your flat tip screwdriver. This is just a glorified flat tip that we use. Put it over on the corner, lift up, battery's out, we're done. This is a new remote we're using, so we'll just put the same battery back in, put it in. It even shows you on the cover, positive side up. Take the back half, put it on there, squeeze it, and you'll notice it seams back together. Go ahead and close your flip blade. You are done. You've just changed your battery. Hey, thanks again for watching, and go ahead and check out our other playlists. We do have stuff for do-it-yourselfers, homeowners, residential, commercial. We'll be posting videos twice a week from basic to advanced, and if you got any questions, go ahead and send us an email, and if we're able to make a video of it, we'll go ahead and do it. Thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.